All right, today we're here to talk about how to fix your relationship after trust is broken. This is obviously a sensitive issue and it can be very complicated, but we're going to go ahead and get into this. And I think once we're through this video, you'll have some very practical tips on how to do all of this. So please watch through all the way to the end. Hey there, it's Clay with modernlove.life. And today we're, of course, are talking about trust. And, it can be really tough when trust is broken in a relationship. Again, I don't know what happened. I don't know if you did something or said something or they did something or said something or, some big misunderstanding happened. But either way, here we are. We're in this dark hole together and, you don't know how to move forward. You don't know how to restore that trust, either because, maybe you did something that was out of alignment or they did something that was out of alignment or whatever, but you're just not feeling that connection anymore. What do you do? The first thing you're probably going to have to do, if this is on you, is to make some sort of apology. You're going to have to apologize for, whatever it is that you did wrong, if you did something wrong. This is going to help to start improving the trust. This is where a lot of people just kind of end things. They think, oh, I cheated on you. I'm sorry. We should just be able to move forward. But no, it obviously goes beyond that. It's a good start, though, to apologize, especially in a way that lets your partner understand why you did what you did. You don't have to try to justify it or make it right or anything. Of course, if you did something wrong, then, own it, but at least say, hey, this is what I was thinking that caused me to do that or caused me to say that. I was so lost and stressed from work, or I just didn't know what to say because I was just so angry at this thing that happened or whatever. Just go ahead and let them know why you did what you did. Now, the second thing is you have to be willing to open up and be vulnerable yourself too. If you're able to open up and be vulnerable, then this is going to really allow them to see you. And it's also going to encourage them to open up and be vulnerable themselves too. Because the more you're able to actually see each other, see how you're feeling, share how you're feeling, the more that's going to inspire more trust to be built up between the two of you. If they're able to say, okay, yeah, he's having a hard day and he's telling me, hey, I'm having a hard day. I don't know what to do. The thing at work is just getting worse and I don't know how to fix it. Then, that's going to allow your partner to see that, yes, you're opening up, you're being vulnerable, you're someone who I can trust because you're being really transparent about things. And likewise, if they do that as well too, then you're going to be able to start being able to trust them too. By the way, before we go ahead and continue, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button for YouTube and subscribe to this channel if you like it, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when we publish and upload new content as well too. Vulnerability can be an absolutely huge thing when it comes to building trust. And also, building off of that, both of you are probably going to need to start by having what's called a code of transparency. That's to say, be very transparent about what you're doing, who you're doing it with, when you're going to be home, when you're not going to be home, all that sort of stuff. The more transparent you can be, the more transparent you can be with your feelings and also with your actions, the more this is going to really start to inspire more trust between the two of you. And of course, this is all going to take time. Trust isn't something that falls into place very fast. Trust is something that takes time to build up. Of course, it can be broken in an instant, but it does take time and consistency to build up over time. Trust is something that you can rebuild, but it will take some time. It will take some consistency through all of this. And if you do want help with your relationship, we do, of course, have a relationship program called Effortless Connection, where we walk through the 3 important elements of a strong relationship, which of course are being on the same team, communication, and trust. And we start to bring those back into alignment by various communication strategies that we're able to have with our partner, conversations that we're able to have, and ways that we're able to manage difficult or challenging conversations with one another. Anyway, you can find that over at modernlove.life/EC for Effortless Connection. Go ahead and check it out. If it sounds like it's a good fit for you and what you're going through and all that sort of stuff, we'd love to have you join us. Of course, I can't, reach through the screen and twist your arm into, joining some program that you don't want to, but, check it out. If it's not right for you, hey, that's cool, fine, whatever. You wasted 2 minutes of your day looking at the page. But if it is right for you, hey, we'd love to have you with us. Anyway, thank you so much for being here on this video. No matter what happens, I hope that you are able to restore that trust in your relationship and know that we are on your side through all of this. Take care, and I'll see you next time.